Pwede niyo po itong i-download and stream in Spotify and Channel 4th Impact. And gusto niyo po ba ng copy? Because we brought few pieces. Sana po
yes, you can avail it at the backstage.
Okay. Gusto ko lang kunin itong opportunity na to. We would like to say thank you to the organizers of this event. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Such an honor for to be here. Thank you so much to Sir Oji and Lisa Mendoza.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Sir Ed.
Sir Arman, of course.
Sir Arman, Ma'am Joyce, thank you so much. Thank you so much po.
Daisy, thank you.
Conjen Senan, thank you so much. And ito na po ang nagbago ng buhay namin. Napanood niyo po ba kami sa X Factor UK?
Mabel, wala.
Parang mahina naman. Napanood niyo po ba kami?
Yes! Gusto niyo ba marinig ang bang bang? Let's go! But before that, we would like to invite you. We will be having our first ever US tour starting in Las Vegas this coming June 21. For more details, you can follow us on all our social media accounts.
Yes!
4th Impact.
Paano tayo may taxi, no? Sabi ko kasi lang nasa isla.
I heard that we will coming back here on October.
Wow!
Big blessing. All right. So this is Bang Bang.
Thank you, Leon, for being such a best audience for us. Gusto po namin kantahin itong song na to because you guys are showing the unity of Filipinos. So, okay lang po ba kantahin itong isang lahi para sa inyong lahat? Gusto po namin ito i-dedicate sa lahat po ng mga Filipino all over the world. At kami po magkakapatid kahit saan man po kami makarating. We will be proud to be Filipino! Woo! Sana po sabayan niyo po kami sa song na ito. Okay? Sana may
kain pa po tayo. Alright.
Yes?
And after po na to, magpa-party-party na tayo. Okay ba yun? Ready na si Mami sumayo. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami magkakapatid dahil after po ng UK journey namin, now we are here in the US to continue pursue our dreams. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami. Para po sa inyong lahat to. Pabawas mo ng reverb sa tao.
We love you. I love you too, Mommy.
Thank you for Impact!
Happy Independence Day!
Woo, but wait, they'll come back. I'm the one after Impact. So, thank you. We'll come back.
Thank you so much,
All
Mom.
right, thank you so much. Now, I'll bring to you a beautiful lady